Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the language for your Amazon application interface. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. We have prepared a video regarding how to log in as well, in case you don't know how to log in or if you are facing any issues. Now initially, what you guys need to do is simply go to your profile. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a profile-like icon. Simply click on it. Then from here, you will be redirected to this page. That's your profile. And as you can see, there are lots of things that you can look around from. But right now, what we want to do is simply change the language. At the top right, just below this search icon, you will see a button like this. That's a flag along with the language. Simply click on it. And from here, as you can see, you can change the country, language and currency from right here. Simply click on the language here, and from these choices, simply select the language of your choice. As you can see, there are multiple languages. I'm gonna select this one, and guys, that is it. As you can see, the language has been changed. Once everything's okay, simply hit on save. That is the yellow button. And guys, that is it. That's how we change the language of your Amazon application interface. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.